Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's do this problem right here. Here this question is asking, an n-channel MOS is biased in its linear region to use as voltage controlled resistor. Assume V threshold is equal to 0.5 voltage, VGS is equal to 20 voltage, VDS is equal to 5 voltage, W over L is equal to 100, COX is equal to 10 to the power of minus 8 farad per meter square, mu n is equal to 800 centimeter square per voltage second. Find resistance of voltage controlled resistor in ohm. Okay, here the question is asking for the resistance. This resistance is nothing but the drain resistance, RDS. Now here they have mentioned this is a linear region, but to make sure we can always check whether it is true or not. So here they have mentioned this is an n-channel MOS. For an n-channel MOS to be linear, we have to have VDS that should be smaller than or equal to VGS minus V threshold. Now let's look at the VDS information given. VDS is what? 5 voltage right here. So this is 5 and VGS is 20 and then V threshold is equal to 0.5. Okay, 0.5. Here you can see this side is 19.5, this side is 5. So this side is definitely greater than this side. So this is a linear region for n-channel MOSFET. Okay, so when we have linear region, there's an ID equation. The drain current equation is given by this. ID is equal to mu n COX W over L times VGS minus V threshold times VDS minus half VDS square. Okay, now this is the drain current equation when we have linear region, n-channel linear region. Okay, now here the question is asking for the drain resistance. This can be calculated using VDS over ID formula, and we know the equation for ID, so all we have to do is just plug it in and see what we get. Okay, now let's go ahead and plug this one. RDS is going to be what? VDS on top, and instead of ID I replace this equation, so this is going to be mu n COX W over L times VGS minus V threshold times VDS, and we can neglect this part. To simplify the calculation. Okay, now VDS cancels and we are left with this one. Here we have all the information available, all of them are given. Let's go ahead and plug them and see what we get. Okay, mu n is what? Mu n is 800 centimeter square volt second. 800 centimeter square volts second, and then we have COX. The capacitance is given by 10 to the power of minus 8 farad, 10 to the power of minus 8 farad per meter square. So here you can see this is in centimeter square, this is in meter square. So we have to convert this one into meter square, or we have to convert this one into centimeter square. So let's convert this one into centimeter square. Since the meter square is in the denominator, we had to multiply this one by 10 to the power of minus 4. Okay, so in this way we can cancel this centimeter square and this one. Okay, now we have converted this one, and W over L is given by 100, and we have VGS minus V threshold. This is equal to 19.5. so here we can multiply this one by 19.5. okay, now after we do the calculation, we are going to get this one to be 10 to the power of 8 divided by 156, and if you simplify this one, you are going to get 641 kilo ohm. So this is going to be the drain resistance, and that's the question is asking for. Find the resistance of voltage controlled resistor in ohm. So this is in kilo ohm, so if you multiply this one by 1000, that's going to be in ohm. And that's how we do this kind of problems. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.